Hi, my name is Mike Jankowski-Lorek. I'm Director of Consulting and Cybersecurity Expert at Secure. This time I would like to invite you to the Thrive conference in Slovenia, where I will be presenting a session combining it with a special one-day workshop. My session is called PKI Well Revised, Common Mistakes which lead to huge compromise of identity. Let me say a couple of words about the session. It's high time to revise your knowledge about one of the cornerstones of enterprise security and learn few tricks that attackers are using to spoof an identity. All technologies and systems currently use cryptography, and most use certificates at some point. Since its boom, internal PKI systems has not changed a lot, but as well the problems that we observe during almost all pentests. Well, this session is full of engaging hacking demonstrations and lessons from the field. But it's not everything. On October 12, I will run Hacking and Hardening Windows Infrastructure workshop. Topics covered in this seminar help you to walk in hackers' shoes and evaluate your network from their point of view. After this workshop, you will be familiar with hacker techniques which can be useful to protect yourself against. So, hopefully, see you at Thrive conference in Slovenia. Book your time on 13 and 14 of October.